Hey, chemistry students, let's make some sandwiches. And when we do this, we'll prove a point that when we look at reactions, that reactions are very, very similar to, well, recipes. And if we think about it in this way, it'll make it a lot easier to do some calculations, which are very important to us as chemists. So let's go ahead and look at a very simple reaction, or a simple recipe, and see how it acts like a reaction. And then the kind of computation that we'll want to do will be very easy to see with this example. So here we go. Let's imagine we have a really neat, simple turkey on wheat sandwich that we sell at a deli or we give to our family. Whatever we do, we make this particular one, and we've got, of course, an index card with the recipe on it. And the recipe says, oh, here we go. We need 2 slices of stone wheat bread. We need 3 slices of our famous smoked deli turkey, which we either make or buy, whatever. And we need 1 slice of cheese on there. Of course, people can then go and put whatever condiment they want on there. That's fine. But that's what we put on the sandwich to begin with. They build the rest. And then we go look in the cupboard, and we've got 12 slices of bread, 12 slices of turkey, and 15 slices of cheese. And the question is, how many sandwiches can I make today with this ingredients, with the amount of ingredients I had to start with? And most of us, if we stop the video right now, can look at it and say, oh my gosh, we can only make 4 sandwiches, so we could only feed 4 people, or we could make maybe another half a sandwich. But the key thing is we can only make 4 sandwiches with what we've got. So depending on what we've got in terms of ingredients, that'll limit the outcome of what we can produce. So let's see how that plays out mathematically. And if you didn't see if you don't see 4 sandwiches right now, stop and take a look at it and figure it out before you go on. All right, so I'm going to scroll down here so we can see what's going on here a little bit. I'm going to rewrite my recipe as a reaction in this way. I'm going to say that I'm just going to take 2 slices of bread plus 3 slices of turkey plus 1 slice of cheese to make a sandwich. So now I see that my recipe can be cast as a reaction. And from this, I can see relationships between, for example, the number of slices of bread I have and the number of sandwiches I can make. Similarly, I can do my cheese, all these guys. I can see how they relate to the number of sandwiches. That allows me then to do a simple calculation. So let's do a simple calculation based upon what we have. Let's find out the number of sandwiches we can make based upon the amount of available bread that we have. We have 12 slices of bread. And according to the reaction, for every 2 slices of bread that I have, I can make 1, there should be a 1 right there, 1 sandwich. The bread cancels out, and it says, you know what, I can make 6 sandwiches from the amount of bread that I have. Simple calculation, you could see that in your head probably. Now I'm going to ask that same question, but this time I'm going to ask it about turkey. And I know that I'm going to start with, I've got 12 slices of turkey. And I know from this guy that for every 3 slices of turkey, I can make 1 sandwich. And that means I can make a total of 4 sandwiches from the available turkey. And I'm going to try the same thing here with the cheese. I've got 15 slices of cheese. And what I know is that for every 1 slice of cheese, I can make 1 sandwich. That means I could make from the available cheese 15 sandwiches. So I've got 3 choices here. Which one can I really make? Well, I can really only make 4 sandwiches. Why? When I get to 4, I'll run out of turkey. And even though I have enough bread to make 6 and enough cheese to make 15, I don't have enough turkey. So my turkey will limit the number of sandwiches made. And the most I can make will be 4. That's it. All right, so keep this in mind because this concept is called the limiting reactant. In this case, the limiting reactant is the turkey, and it will tell us how many sandwiches we can make, or when we do regular reactions, how much stuff we can actually make, how much product.